Hello friends, welcome to Vidich Academy. Here in this section, we are going to deal with an example. So here the given example is, prove that 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 into sin 250 degrees is equal to 4 by root 3. So in order to prove this, let us consider LHS side, and on the LHS side, we have the degree 290 degrees. So we don't know the exact value of cos 290 degrees. So now let us convert this angle in terms of cos 270 degrees plus theta. So by converting, here we get 1 by cos 270 degrees plus 20 degrees, which is nothing but 290 degrees again, plus 1 by root 3 into sin 250 degrees, which can be converted in the form of sin 270 degrees minus 20 degrees. So here, in the denominator, we can use the formula of cos 270 degrees plus theta by just replacing 20 with theta. So here the formula for cos 270 degrees plus theta is equal to sin theta, and here by replacing 20 degrees with theta, we get the formula that is sin 270 degrees minus theta, which is equal to minus cos theta. So by using both these formulas, we get here 1 by sin 20 degrees plus 1 by root 3 into the value of sin 270 degrees minus 20 degrees, which is minus cos 20 degrees. So here we have minus in the denominator, so we get 1 by sin 20 degrees minus 1 by root 3 into cos 20 degrees. And now let us take LCM. So by taking LCM, we get here root 3 into cos 20 degrees minus sin 20 degrees in the numerator divided by sin 20 degrees into root 3 into cos 20 degrees. And now let us multiply and divide both the numerator as well as in the denominator by 2. So here by multiplying and dividing, we get here 2 into 1 by 2 into the numerator, which is root 3 cos 20 degrees minus sin 20 degrees divided by the denominator where 2 is multiplied and divided. So here we get 2 into 1 by 2 into the denominator sin 20 degrees into root 3 cos 20 degrees. And now let us multiply 1 by 2 to the inner terms. And in the denominator, let us interchange the places of 2 and root 3. So here, by multiplying 1 by 2 to the inner terms in the numerator, we get 2 into root 3 divided by 2 into cos 20 degrees minus, here we get 1 by 2 into sin 20 degrees divided by, as here we are interchanging the places, we get here root 3 by 2 into 2 into sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. So we already know that the value of sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 and the value of cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So by replacing these values in the numerator, we get here 2 into root 3 by 2, which can be written as sin 60 degrees into cos 20 degrees minus 1 by 2, which can be written as cos 60 degrees into sin 20 degrees divided by the denominator, which is root 3 by 2 into 2 sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees, which is in the form of 2 sin A into cos A is equal to sin 2A. So by using this formula, we get here sin 2 times of A, which is 20 degrees here. So we get sin 2 times of 20 degrees. And here in the numerator, this is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, which is equal to the formula which is sin A minus B. So let us use this formula over here. So by using, we get here 2 into the formula which is sin A, that is 60 degrees, minus B, which is 20 degrees, divided by root 3 by 2 into sin 2 into 20 degrees, which is sin 40 degrees over here. So that implies we get here 2 into sin 60 degrees minus 20 degrees, which is 40 degrees, divided by root 3 by 2 into sin 40 degrees. And here sin 40 degrees in the numerator as well as in the denominator gets cancelled. And here we are left with 2 into the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 2 by root 3. So here by multiplying, we get 2 into 2, which is 4, divided by root 3, which is nothing but the value on the RHS side. So hence, we proved that the value of 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 sin 250 degrees is equal to 4 by root 3. And make a note of all these formulas, as these formulas are very important Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on our website vdhacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.